Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use Afterpay on Expedia. So using Afterpay on Expedia is actually pretty easy. You just need to do the following. So the first thing that you have to do here is you want to access Afterpay first. Now from here, what you need to do is you want to search for Expedia. So let's just type in Expedia here and you'll see the Expedia option. So just click on it. So it's going to load a specific UI here for Afterpay and using Expedia. As you can see right now, I could choose whether to use stays, flights, cars, packages, and things to do here. So for example, we want to go to a specific location. So let's just choose this location and just click on search. Now from here, we get given options whether you want to book a room. So for example, you want to book this room. So just click on it. Now from here, what you need to do is you just need to follow the things that you have to do here. So in this case, we want to reserve a room. So let's just click on reserve here. Now once you click on reserve, it's going to load up the payment section for Expedia. As you can see right now, there's different information that is needed, like first name, last name, and the mobile phone number as well. So in here, as you can see in the payment methods, Afterpay is automatically selected, which is what we wanted here. Now from here, just need to fill out the necessary details and basically check out, and you are now done. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.